silence rule again. Whispering in the dorms at midnight is unacceptable. So here's your punishment. No dinner, no lights, and absolutely no talking until dawn. Sit here and think about what discipline means. Miss Evans, watch them. Any noise and they'll all be solitary.
This place is a joke.
One more word from you, Alex, and be cleaning toilets for a week. Sit down!
Great, we're sucking this down because some genius can keep their motion.
Oh, shut up, Ryan. You were snoring last night. That's why everyone woke up.
We're not do this right now, please.
Hey, guys, stop fighting. We're all in this together.
Whatever.
I'm Luna, by the way. You're Jamie, right?
Yeah, right. We're here so our parents can forget about us.
What did you do to end up here?
It's none of your business.
Figures.
1, 2, 3, go.
My older brother died in a car crash last year. My parents barely spoke to each other after that. I thought coming here would help me breathe again, but it just feels like another cage.
Look, my parents said they couldn't handle after my grandmother passed. They dropped me off here and came back. I keep thinking they're close, but stay home.
I act out so my busy parents will notice me, but they never do.
Two, three, go.
My dad, he hits me and then hit him back. Maybe that's why he sent me here. And he said I got his temper. Maybe he's right.
Even she thinks we need to talk. Jamie, what do you miss most from home?
Oh, my job. He used to sleep on my bed every night. I used to play him about everything. Here, I don't talk to anyone. 3, go.
I miss skating, feeling the wind like I can just go anywhere. Here it's just walls and hills.
I miss not being angry all the time. My mother used to make me pancakes every Sunday. But she's not around anymore.
What the? Great, we're now in the dark too.
It's okay, guys. Just stay calm. We'll be fine.
Hey, Dar.
Shut up.
Hey, you mean alone. Here, sit next to me.
Maybe this is what they wanted. To make us silent so we can hear ourselves.
Alright then. One good thing about me, I can fix bikes. I built one from scratch before.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's awesome. I draw comics which are mostly about people escaping bad places.
Fine, when I say after that, we're going to guys make me regret it.
So, we're good now?
Yeah, we're good. No more solo acts.
Thanks for not giving up on me.